How are you guys feeling today? Great. Okay, now let's meet my little friend here. This is Coco, our yellow named Amazon parrot. Okay, Coco, come on, say hello to them.
Hello?
Hello. Okay, Coco, as you can see, there are some pretty ladies up there today. How about giving them something sexy?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, Coco, one more. One more for the sexy ladies. Alright, good one, Coco. Okay, Coco. How about for the little kids? How about giving them something crazy, Coco? Alright, what a crazy hello. Okay, how do you feel today, Coco? Do you feel good? Good. Okay, if you feel good, Coco, come on, show them. Show them expression, Coco. Alright, Coco is laughing. Alright guys, come on, a big hand for Coco. Good job, Coco. Okay, now let's move on to the next session. Please welcome our Sulphur Crescent Cockatoo, Mr. Green, and his trainer, Miss Maylin. And I believe that Mr. Green has something to say to all of you today. Okay, let's see, what is it? WELCOME. Alright guys, come on, a big hand for Mr. Green. He just welcome all of you to the bird show today. Okay, but that's not all. And now he wishes acrobatic skills. Okay, but before that, Mr. Green, are you ready? Are you sure? Are you sure, Mr. Green? Alright, good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one. Come on, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright guys, come on, a big hand for Mr. Green. And also Coco. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, for your information, it is easy to identify the white bird just now. The male has dark brown eyes and female has red eyes. All the way, Ringo. Good job, Ringo. How patriotic he is. Good job, Ringo. Okay, and now please welcome back Miss Maylin. And now she has 2 hooks. And I need 2 volunteers, please. Alright, yes you, ma'am. Alright, yes you. Okay, and now please welcome Pilot. Come on, Pilot. Okay, and now Pilot gonna fly through these 2 rings over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and fly. First ring. And the second ring. Alright guys, come on, a big hand for Pilot. Okay, stay there. One more time, okay? Okay, for those with cameras, get ready. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, and fly. First ring. And the second ring. Alright guys, come on, a big hand for Pilot. Okay, good job, Pilot. Thank you, volunteers. Okay, and now I'm going to divide you guys into 2 teams, okay? Starting from, alright, from here to my right. You guys will be cheering for Popeye. Shout as loud as you can. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. 3 times, okay? Okay, on 3. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, okay, come on, one more time. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, come on. Last one. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 points leaders. Okay, this side, you guys will be cheering for Ringo. Short as loud as you can. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. Okay? Okay, on 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, much better. Okay, buddies, are you ready? Cheerleaders, are you ready? Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Boys, Ringo. Come on, Ringo. That's it, guys. Come on, guys, a big hand for Ringo. Good job, Ringo. Alright, Popeye, come on. Finish up the race. Alright, guys, come on, a big hand for Popeye. Alright, okay, 1 second. Okay, let me ask them. Okay, guys, I need your help here. If you think that Ringo here is cheating, put up your hand. Are you sure? Okay. If you think that Ringo here is technically smart, put up your hand. Alright, nice one, guys. Okay, basically you got your answer. Bye bye, sending back. Alright, guys, come on, a big hand for Popeye. Good job, Popeye. Okay, now, Mr. Kasano, what do we have for winner here? Ooh, we have